Hey guys, and welcome back. Today I'm going to do this colorful reverse stamp nail design. So I'm going to use this white polish by Sinful Colors called Snow Me White. This lilac, it looks pink, but it's a lilac polish by China Glaze called Sweet Hook. This green by China Glaze called Kiwi Cool Ada. I hope I said that right. This blue by Salon Perfect called Bermuda Baby. And this pink by Salon Perfect called Good Vibes Only, and this hot pink by Orly called The Crazy Life. There's a whole bunch of polishes. So I'm going to use my Born Pretty BP-L011 nail plate, and I'm going to apply black stamping polish onto a floral stamp design. Now the key to doing reverse stamping is to make sure that the design you choose has space for you to add colors into it. If you don't have the space, it's not going to be quite as easy to do the design. You can do it, but it's going to be a much longer process. I like to make sure that my stamp designs have big spaces. And as you can see, I like to use a nail brush. I see some people using nail dotters. I tried it. I really didn't like it. I didn't think that it picked up enough polish. But if you feel more comfortable with nail dotter, it's your preference. I don't mind it. I just want to show you that it's pretty fun. It's simple. I like doing reverse stamping because it just gives you your own unique design, like the colors you choose and such. As you can see, I'm kind of blending the pink, the dark pink with the light pink, just to give the flower kind of like an ombre look. Not all flowers are one color, so I wanted to do that and blend the colors, and that's why I'm using my nail brush, just to blend it in. And then I'm going to use that pretty green just to fill in the little leaf. It's really simple. I didn't go crazy adding all the colors to the whole design because I'm not going to use the whole design. And then I apply the stamp design. Now make sure that you push that nail stamper onto your nails really hard and slowly remove the stamper because sometimes the design may not stick to it. And as you can see, I removed the liquid latex, cleaned around my nails, and I applied a quick dry top coat. I hope you liked this video. Here's the finished look. If you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to get updates when I upload new videos. And check out my Instagram at Funwithmynails to see more of my nail art. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.